If you are looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2022 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk in steam gray. It comes equipped with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, rear window wiper and washer, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel. There's only 16,000 miles on the odometer. There's also an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with navigation, a rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, also has a DUAL-PANE panoramic sunroof with a power liftgate. This vehicle is equipped with a 3.2-liter V6 engine and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com and look out for stock number D6778.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.